Our crypto travels this week bring us to none other than incredible India. Home to over 1.3 billion people and to the second largest population of unbanked people in the world. One person with a huge fan base here and known for his ICO analysis is Ian Bellina. He hosted his own off-site event and I judged the ICO competition.
We'll have our panel ask our judges here, evaluate the projects.
Wow, you saved me for last. So I'm stuck here because I like all 4 projects. I like Matic because I do like scalability solutions and the fact that you've got a proven concept. I think that's very good. QuickX, I think bringing microtransactions to the people to make the blockchain usable. When you come to a place like India or you spend time like I do in Africa, you know that you really need microtransactions.
Okay, just a quick clap of how many of you are holding cryptocurrencies? Just a quick clap. Okay, almost everybody. How many of you can go to the market and buy clothes using your cryptocurrencies? A quick clap.
I'd probably go with Matic and QuickX.
So, if crypto isn't in fact banned, think of the market cap potential coming out of India. Just look around you, the potential numbers are staggering. Welcome back to In the Spotlight, and this is the segment on our show where we let new and up-and-coming ICOs tell us exactly what they do. So, QuickX, what does QuickX do?
So basically QuickX is bringing cryptocurrencies in day-to-day life. What we are doing is we are changing the status of cryptocurrencies from a share-like object to a real spendable currency in day-to-day life, wherein we are focusing more on the micropayments.
Are you saying that I can use my Bitcoin and Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies, or are you creating a new currency?
No, you can use all these currencies along with the token which we are creating. Go to the store, pay through Bitcoin, pay through Litecoin, pay through Ethereum. Any currency you want to pay through, you can pay in the store near you, and the fiat will be transferred to the company.
Now, is your product live or are you still in development?
We have our MVP Live. It's a multi-currency wallet. We have already tested a lot of transactions into that, and we are launching our testnet in the next quarter, and the mainnet will be 6 months from now.
And are you doing an ICO?
Yes, we are doing an ICO. Presently, we are in the private sales, and after the private sales are over, we will be going with the token sale.